Are you looking for the best drones for kids in this video? We will look at some of the best drones for kids on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Altair AA108 Drone for Kids. Great indoor drone for kids, with an intuitive control scheme that can be used via smartphone or the packed-in analog remote. In addition to offering the ability to draw custom routes on the fly. The Altair AA108 Kids Drone is a great choice for both indoor and outdoor use, thanks to an intuitive control scheme that can easily be accessed via smartphone, tablet, or the dedicated analog remote that ships with the drone itself. We love the large variety of modes on offer, allowing for the drawing of custom routes and one-button takeoff and landing. We also like the wide-angle 720p camera that ships with this model. The battery life is on the lower end, offering just 10 minutes of flight time per charge, though this particular ship with a pair of lithium-ion batteries, effectively doubling that flight time. Also, there is no South Dakota card included with the purchase to store photos and videos, and it only offers support for South Dakota cards up to 32 GB. For pilots looking for maximum range, the best fixed-wing drone will offer an excellent drone piloting experience and fast operating speeds. Number 2. Potensic T25 Drone for Kids. High-quality drone with a robust feature set that includes a durable aluminum alloy construction, a useful 300-meter transmission range, and the ability to be controlled via smartphone, analog remote, or a combination of both. The Potensic T25 is the best beginner drone for a 10-year-old boy, thanks to a bevy of exceptional features, such as a sturdily built and durable aluminum alloy form factor that can easily survive an accidental collision, and a brushless motor. We also appreciated the lengthy 300-meter transmission range, making this a great outdoor drone, and the fact that this model ships with a hardshell carrying case and a pair of lithium batteries, allowing for up to 40 minutes of flight time combined. This drone is on the expensive side, likely due to the high-grade build components and the number of advanced features on offer. Additionally, the learning curve here is steep, so this might not be the best bet for younger children. The best drones for beginners. Number 3. DJI Mavic Mini Drone for Kids. Allows for extremely intuitive smartphone and tablet controls, suiting a wide variety of children. With a light and compact form factor and a fantastic lithium battery that boasts 30 minutes of flight time per charge. The DJI Mavic Mini is the best mini drone for kids, thanks to an amazing feature set that includes intuitive and easy-to-use smartphone and tablet controls, with a custom route drawing functionality. We like the light and compact form factor here, weighing just 9 ounces, and the long-lasting battery that allows the drone to fly for up to 30 minutes on a single charge. We also admired the 3-axis motorized gimbal for camera stability, offering the ability to take smooth and gorgeous still shots and videos. This drone does include an integrated camera, and it is of exceptional quality, but this model cannot support any third-party cameras, due to the nature of the lighter-than-average design. Also, the plastic exterior here is not quite as durable as drones with metal exteriors. We recommend that you prioritize durable drones with high-grade components like the best drones for GoPro. Number 4. Propel Star Wars Quadcopter Drone for Kids. Gorgeous Star Wars-themed form factor that should please kids and adults alike, with a hand-painted exterior, an intuitive altitude stabilization function, and a motor that can reach speeds up to 35 mph. The Propel Star Wars Quadcopter Drone for Kids is the perfect gift for the science fiction fan in your life, as this gorgeous Star Wars-themed drone is both easy to look at and highly functional. We loved the attractive hand-painted exterior and the high-grade internal motor that allows speeds up to 35 miles per hour. We also appreciated the easy-to-use analog remote that features an intuitive altitude stabilization mode. This drone does not come with a camera, as it is more intended for simulated Star Wars dogfights. Also, the integrated lithium battery only allows for a maximum of 7 minutes of flight time per charge. Compare this with the best Follow Me drone that has an excellent 27-minute average flight time. Number 5. Syma RC Helicopter Drone for Kids. Value-friendly drone with plenty of features, including a kid-appropriate helicopter design that excels at performing acrobatic tricks, including rolls, flips, and sudden turns. The Syma RC Helicopter Drone is perfect for kids of all ages, thanks to boasting an aesthetically pleasing helicopter design and a light and compact form factor. This drone excels at performing acrobatic tricks at the push of a button, including spins and rolls. We also appreciated the handy altitude hold feature and the fact that it ships with a landing and takeoff pad. Though this drone does ship with a high-quality and intuitive analog remote, it does not offer any smartphone or tablet control whatsoever. Additionally, the integrated lithium-ion battery allows this drone to fly for just 6 minutes before needing to hit the power outlet for a recharge. Compare this with the best professional drone with a lithium battery that allows for more